this is my new hair that I am dying to wear New Year's night. If it seems like I'm rushing, y'all, I'm rushing. It's from Iseehair. I've unboxed one of these that I ordered. I ordered this during their Christmas sales. And can y'all see it? Oh yeah, y'all can see it now. And I kind of just, you know, been holding waiting and said this is going to be my New Year's hair. But I ended up having to work tonight. So, and I didn't want to put it on without sharing it with you guys. And I got like 30 minutes left to finish getting ready. This is my New Year's look. But this is the unit. And they said 3 gifts if you order. I got to share the 3 gifts. That's all I'm going to say about that. And then, of course, as usual, you know you get all the free stuff from IC anyway. Which is this cap. Which is, I got 3 now. You get a wig cap. And then you get another color wig cap. Last time I only got 1. I'm not complaining. I'm happy. And then you get a pair of lashes. And these look like just cards about their TikTok and stuff. And this is their new ICM cap. The reviews were everywhere about this end cap wig. So I had to get one. I just had to get one. And they were on sale. Well, why not, right? And what's in here? Oh, now this is something new. You get extra combs. Wow. And an extra band. If you want to change your band, you get an extra band. And the 2 combs that's in the front, you got extra combs. Wow. Now that is something new. I have to say, I see did that. Let's get on to the wig, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all in this video too long. Okay. She cute. Supposed to just be able to put her on and go about your business. And yes, I got me some curly hair. Don't that hair look good? It's so soft. It's supposed to be pre-cut and everything. Look at that. That hairline. Girl, it's everything. That hairline is everything. Okay. Let me take off the little clip. And see what we got going on in here. This wig is packaged really nice. To have it hold this shape still looks good. Yeah, you do have to cut some lace because I wouldn't leave all that there. Oh, the combs are removable. Okay, they got this little thing in here that, you know, tell you about it and how you can remove them. But I like my combs, so I won't be touching them. You get one over here where you can take it out and put it in if you don't like your combs, but I love mine. And then one over here, you can just slide it out and then slide it back in if you want it. I ain't touching it because I want it. And then there's the adjustable M cap band in the back. So this is really, really cute. Really cute. I need to go get some mousse. I'll be right back. Okay, I've already got my hair together. I put on my little black edge tip for them, you know, them little sparse side edges. And I just use this Got Roots Root and Touch Up. This was sent over to me. Is it Got Roots or Got the company? And let me show y'all what it is. It looks like this. Coming brown, black. It's got a lot of different colors. And you just open this up. And for me, it's my edges that's super thin. So I just use this and went around and, you know, covered the gray ones. And filled in the sparse ones. So yeah. And not that if the wind do blow black, you won't see no little gray hairs or naked skin. That was my thing, okay? So I'm gonna tighten this baby up just a little bit. There we go. And let's pop her on and see what she looking like. See what she looking like. Oh, she cute. She cute. But I can already see I'm gonna need to take her off and do something with that lace. Cause that lace, baby, is a no. I'm gonna use my red by Kiss tinted lace tint. I probably should use my powder, but I really want to try this. I only used it in part, and so we're gonna see how this looks. I'm just taking it and putting it inside the cap all over. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, that's a lot better. It gave some color to that lace. But the part about not plucking it, I don't know if I like these removable combs because they slide out. But you can just slide it back in to where you want it. But I do like that they super small. Okay, I like this. I like this. And I need that little lace tint to be a little bit darker. Yeah, I don't care for these removable combs. They just slide out too easy. But if you don't like combs, you're going to love that. See, they just slide out. This one is out already. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm going to use this Fenty powder. And it looks like my cap, my wig cap, gonna have to go. There we go. And I'm gonna spray it with some of the spray. This is the Red Kiss Lace Bonding Spray. Just to try to get that lace to melt in a bit. I don't know. It feels kind of like a small cap. So we're gonna see what it looking like before I walk out the door, okay? Because I might snatch this stuff off and just put on a whole wig. Because it seems like, I don't know, it just feels a little small. And it could just be me wanting the combs and there aren't any combs. Because I feel like the combs make me feel like, baby, you ain't going nowhere. And without the combs, it just kind of feel like it's just sitting on my head. And a strong wind gonna mess up my whole day. You know what I'm saying? This all I got time to do to it. It's just kind of, oh, okay, we got some shade in there. Okay. All right, Iseehair. Yeah, I know I wear my wigs forever, so y'all will get the updates and the deets. And I'm just running my fingers through it with some mousse. That's it. And that's how I'm gonna wear it tonight. all I got to say about that. I'm finna go get dressed, and then I'll come back and take this band off, and we'll see what it's looking like, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm done getting ready for work. I'm ready to walk out the door. Okay. It don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. I just don't, I don't feel secure. I'm gonna have to put this, it don't feel like it's, I don't know what I want to say. I don't feel like it's there and it's there and I know it ain't going nowhere. I feel like it could be sliding back all night. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put this in my backpack and take it with me. Okay, let me let y'all see the back. It feels like it's just sitting on my head, if that makes sense. That's what it feels like. Okay. Oh, my lips. I have these VENI lip glosses. You just kind of put it on and let it sit and peel off and the color stay, and I just put this clear on top of it. I make sure I put, you know, in the description about this VENI lippies, because girl, these big VENI lippies, I like that. There's nothing on my lips but this gloss and what was left after I put this thick lip gloss in there. And they sent me 4, 5 different colors and then just a regular lip gloss topper. But I didn't see that. I used this clear one instead, just so I could show y'all what the color looked like after it got on my lips. Okay, I gotta get to work. Y'all stay blessed. Have a happy, wonderful New Year. If I didn't say, this is New Year's night. So, see y'all. Stay blessed. Bye, guys.